When I was
Abir.
When I first came to on-site.
I don't remember. Long time ago.
One news actually 20x legend is going to get over by this month end.
Yeah, this is last part in 20.
This is the biggest event. Lease is getting over and everybody is moving on.
Huh?
How sad people are, man.
People are moving out or people are getting kicked out?
We are moving on. we can't stay in the house without Ranjit. Locked off memories.
This month end,
Yeah, this month end.
where you are moving today?
Abhishek has taken an apartment and me and Ravi are moving with Bipin.
Let us focus back to Ranjit.
Let's focus back. The flash news is over now.
everybody is sleeping now, so better handle the bus. अबे तू क्या कर रहा है?
He is official.
सब लगा कैमरा वीडियो सब एक्शन.
हाँ पट्टी.
Came to on-site.
Hey, you sit there and speak.
हाँ लाइट नहीं हो रहा यार ठीक से.
वो लाइट आगे की. वो लाइट आगे लगाओ.
हाँ this is better now.
अभिषेक एंड मैं कहीं पे बैठना है.
No, no.
Take the ball, take ball.
I am afraid of heights.
कोई नहीं बैठ में ऊपर.
देख नहीं पा रहे हम लोग ठीक से.
So everybody can see me, right?
No.
No.
VS and Vikram separate. No, VS will move to Abhishek's place.
अबे.
हाँ रमाकांत.
Concentrate.
तुम लोग 5 लोग को करना है.
20x is, like second home for me actually. I mean, mostly like I was actually staying at my own house and doing my bachelor's everything. So this is probably the most I have like stayed out of house. And I was in Bangalore, but that was also not for like such a long period. So in fact, I mean the people here are the longest I have been with, other than my parents and all. So it's like been a big thing. And yeah, I mean whatever was like keeping me going here was like the crowd here. It's an amazing place to be. You can never deny that fact. I mean, even now I don't know like, but I have to do that. I mean, I have to like take that step. But I know that like this kind of crowd, this kind of people, you will never get anywhere. Like starting from the day one, like when I came here, it was, I mean, like a special feeling. I mean, it didn't take like much long for me to like get adjusted to the crowd here or anything. And when I came, like people like Amol, and then nobody else is there. I think Vikram Kumar probably. Two of us. I mean, two of these guys only is there.
He came to the raining.
A lot of those people have left, and people like started kept on coming and going, but like the feeling or like whatever we had here, the fun we had here, it never changed. It always used to be the same. Then I don't want to like get into like each and every people because everybody here is like so special to me, and there are like some people like really stand out. I mean, I can't like really thank them with the words, like how much I owe or like whatever. So yeah, I don't want to take names, but yeah, I mean each and every one of you is like has really made some impact in my life.
Send us separate checks.
That's it, enough.
What man?
Okay, ready for bump.
3 years, man.
अभी ट्रेलर हुआ. अभी
3 years.
सराउंड साउंड अभी आना चाहिए हमको.
Come on.
Come on, me.
About my roommates, I mean, 20x is I said like it's a special place. It has been a second home, and the people here also like, I mean, it is like very close. I mean, after my parents. I mean, for example, VS is like one of the person I have been with most after my parents. And then like Venu is here. He was my roommate. And we were there for a long time too. I mean, like such a nice time. Then Karthi, then these two came in, Abhishek and Ravi. And I mean, when I was like even trying for a change and trying to change the job. Actually, I was not really able to go inside and prepare for my interview or anything, because these people be sitting here I actually want to come out and spend time with them. I was really finding it difficult to find time for myself. So that speaks how much fun.
You missed the show.
You missed it.
तेरे बारे में बात कर रहा था
क्या बात कर रहा है?
और नहीं तो क्या
मैं सोचा आज रंजित के बारे में ही बात होगा.
ये तू नहीं बे
नहीं नहीं चल तू आगे. मैं बाद में बात करूँ तेरे से.
सुमड़ी
So yeah, pretty much says everything.
Cheer up. People start crying, right?
Yeah. We have lot of very best cooks here. Renu claims himself to be a but it has to be luck if it has to come out. But sometimes he cooks the best.
It's all your luck, man.
And then VS came and
That's why he got married.
yeah, then you have Abhishek Jha. Daily each week we are having mutton, chicken. Whatever I was having in my house, it's almost the same. The same kind of food and maybe much more tasty than that. You don't miss anything here. At least for you really don't miss anything. It's like a complete life. Even though you are out, without your parents. I really don't like to miss that, but
क्या ऐसे बैठो.
I have to take an
Zoom in
extra
कर zoom in. अभी इसका ले.
अब फोकस करो.
discuss.
Don't stop.
That's it.
What do you mean that's it?
Football.
About football, soccer.
उसके लिए पूरी रात जाएगी.
Soccer is very controversial.
Start हो जाएगा तो end नहीं होगा वो. You should wear white and black jerseys. Start with that.
That's my camera.
अभी बोल दे रोल नहीं कर
Soccer. Soccer was always fun, man. That is that. Soccer is the thing which brought us all together. Actually, I was probably we were out of the whole new gang and all. But last 6 months we started soccer, and that's a great fun. That really brings us together, and the time you spend there in the soccer field and you discuss that, it is every time. Probably whenever you meet and if you meet for 6 hours, at least 5 hours you talk about soccer.
कल 2 गोल कालिया आज 4 गोल खेल रहा है.
No, it's not over yet. We're still waiting.
Usually, if I have to thank people, I don't want to get into people's name and talk about it.
You can.
Whatever I say would be less. I don't think I can.
फिर उठ के वही चाटा मारेगा
उठाया क्यों बे उसको? सो रहा था ना. विपिन सो रहा था, उसको उठाया क्यों?
गुस्सा आता है उसको
हो गया. Clap.